today's episode I'm going to show you how to join your granny squares using a single crochet join. The disadvantage of a single crochet join is that it will have create a ridge like a window pane, but if that's what you're going for, awesome. Good for you. Awesome. If you want something that's more flat to this, then you either want to do a flat stitch join, which I don't particularly enjoy, or you can do a whip stitch to join them together. But the single crochet, the advantage to it is that you don't have to use a tapestry needle. So what I'm going to do is just show you how to attach the two. I'm going to give you some advice for that because you have some options on where you're going to stick your hook, and let me show you where you're going to stick your hook. Welcome to my channel, and I'm here to inspire you, give you crochet advice, and help you along with your next project. If you enjoyed this pattern, please give me a thumbs up or even comment so I can gauge your interest. It helps me to know what to film next. So let's go through your options. If you decide to go through the full stitch on one side and the full stitch on the other, you are going to create a buckling up. So it's gonna be like Moses lifting the Red Sea. It's gonna come up. And so you're gonna be pulling those back up, and this single crochet that I'm doing, this is a standing single crochet, this is going to really lift up. So let me just do a few more. So I'm just gonna go through the one and then the other, noticing that I'm on the right side of both of them, so the good sides are facing up as I do this. So you can still do the single crochet going across, but you can have the single crochet being a little bit tinier. So after I've just crossed over a few of the beginning strand, I'm just gonna toss this to the back and then just continue along, and I can use my tapestry needle to hide those loose ends later. So it's a very fast process. It actually looks good. Like in some blankets, this kind of joining actually looks pretty sharp, and other stuff I kind of want it flat. Okay, so there's enough. So you end up with this raised ridge, and if it's using a different color yarn, it actually looks pretty good. So from the side perspective, you can see it's really raised, and you'll notice that it doesn't want to stay completely like sticking up straight. It kind of wants to fall over, so it's gonna naturally do that on its own. So that's something that you have to consider, like that, and that's something that is really neat.